If you cannot touch your knees to the floor, okay, use the palms. Open it. Open. If your shoulders goes up like this, it's no worry, it's fine. So you can bend the elbows and stretch again. So you can do like this. Or if you are here like this and you cannot pull it down, so use the elbow. Use the elbow. Try to open more and bend forward. This is a technique to open. Or you can do one by one. So one elbow on the knee and the one palm on the knee joint. So try to stretch both. Try to stretch both and try to move the other side. So you will feel different. Then switch your hands and then try to stretch maximum. Switch your hand and try to stretch maximum. So your palm which is stretching, hands elbow straight. So you try to stretch the elbow and here elbow bend and try to support, pull it down. Something like this. It will be helpful. Like this. Try to stretch. So this is, we can try our best. Keep breath normal. Try to open. Yes. Okay, so inhale, hands up. Exhale. Bend forward. Okay, so this time our heels a little bit far. So move your hip back or heels front. So make your middle part must be one block, can keep like this. So this is a space that I'm trying to show you. So this or this, both side you can feel like there is a space. So if you have leg foundation like this, so inhale, hands up, exhale, hands down, and then slowly walk forward. Slowly walk forward. Lift your hip up one side at a one time, other hip, other side at a one time, and then slowly forward. Slowly forward. Very good. Slowly forward. Try to touch your chest to your feet. Stay here for a while. Keep breath normal. Inhale, exhale, keep breath normal. Okay. If you feel not comfortable, you can just slowly come back a little bit and then try to move your knees up and down. So you will just adjust your pelvic, your muscles by your own self. Okay, if you can touch the elbows on the floor, okay, then you can touch the elbows and both palms on your cheeks, on your face like this. Then you can move. Keep breath normal. Inhale, exhale. Okay, very nice everyone. Slowly come back. Okay, hands back, leg straight. Relax your leg.